It's not.
Does it include that there should be a 6th Southeast state?
Of course, Anioma State should be created. The 6th Southeast state is the only state that will be viable to be created in the Southeast. Anioma are Igbos, and they never said they are not Igbos. The 6th Southeastern state should be created, and they had to go to Anioma with some other states in Onitsha and everywhere. They become a state.
Delta rivers.
Yes. But even not rivers, but Delta mostly.
There are some rivers. There are some Igbos who identify as Igbos also in.
No, you cannot just go to jump somewhere, go to the other place. You first do this side, and possibly.
So there should be an Anioma State.
There should be an Anioma State. To be forthright, there should be an Anioma State.
Is that part of what you discussed with President Tinubu?
No, but there shall be an Anioma State.
The man that spoke in that video is called Orji Uzor Kalu. He is the senator representing Abia North Senatorial District. He said that Anioma State should be created as the 6th state for the Southeast. That Anioma State is the most viable state to be created as the 6th Southeast state. This is what every reasonable person is expected to say. He is right. Anioma State is the most viable state to be created. When you talk about land mass, Anioma State is viable. When you talk about resources, Anioma State is viable. When you talk about population, Anioma State is viable. Anioma people have what it takes to be a state. If you compare other states and Anim State to Anioma State, you will find out that the both of them are not qualified to be the 6th Southeast state. Ada that is not qualified, Anim is not qualified. Anim State will be created by mapping out land from Imo State and Anambra State. We are saying that Anambra State is small, Imo State is small. They are saying that they want to map out land from that place to create a state. Creating Anim State is not a plus to Igbo nation, but a minus. And by doing that, more land mass did not add to the Southeast. More population did not add to the Southeast. More resources did not add to the Southeast. That's why it's a minus. But if you add Anioma State to the Southeast will have more land mass, more population, more resources. And for that, it's a plus. Other state is a plus to the Southeast because they are trying to bring back the indigenous Igbos in Kogi State and in Benue State through boundary adjustments. At least, if other people they talk, we go to talk say, as e be say you people won't bring our brothers where they for other states on a try. But where other states is not qualified is because they are trying to map out some land from Enugu State, then bring back the Igbos in Kogi and Benue to join that landmass and form other states. So the population of Igbo people in Benue and Kogi cannot be compared to the population of we Anioma people. We know that our Igbo brothers indigenous in Kogi and Benue are a plus to the Southeast, but their population is small. Now, if you want to compare the one that should be created for the Southeast first, the first thing that should come to your mind is the region that have more population. The population of Anioma people is at least 3 million people. How many Igbos are in Kogi State and in Benue State? The landmass of Anioma is bigger than the landmass of Anambra State. The landmass of Anioma is bigger than the landmass of Abia State. The landmass of Anioma is bigger than the landmass of Imo State. Na small thing, the landmass of Enugu State and Ebonyi State take big pass the landmass of Anioma State. Population of 3 million people. You know what it be? 3 million people add their population to the Southeast. And you will see that the population of the Southeast will grow. Joining Anioma State to the Southeast will strengthen the unity of Igbo nation. And that's because Anioma people not dey south again. Not be before we be say southeast go dey talk go one side. Anioma people go dey talk go one side. If Anioma people join the southeast, any decision where they make for southeast, Anioma people will be part of decision making. And any decision where we take now for the betterment of the entire Igbo nation. The southeast only have 5 governors. If we add Anioma State to the southeast will have 6 governors. The southeast have 15 senators. If Anioma State join the southeast will have 18 senators. The southeast has 43 House of Reps members. If we get Anioma State and join the southeast will now have 49 House of Reps members. First of all, why is Anioma State more qualified than every other state proposer from the southeast? Number 1, Anioma State has the bigger land mass. Number 2, Anioma State have so many resources. Number 3, Anioma State have the population. Anioma State agitation is the oldest in the southeast and in the south. Anioma State agitation started since 1938. 1938 till now is 88 years old. Agitation where e be say e dey 88 years old now is to tell you that the agitation for Anioma State is long overdue. Anioma State will include the indigenous Igbos in Edo State, which are Ibanke people, Iru, and many others. There are at least 7 indigenous Igbo communities in Edo State. We want to bring them back to Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Anioma State has everything it takes to be a state. Some of our Igbo brothers in the southeast don't know all these things. And that is why you will see some of them online telling you, we want Adada State, we want Anim State. Some of them are saying it because they don't know all these things that we are saying. But some of them are saying it because of what they will benefit. Those people not the reason the interest of Igbo nation. They're not they think about Igbo unity. Those people not know whether Igbo are being marginalized. We call those people stomach infrastructure. They're not they see beyond their nose. And this is why we are here to break all these things down for our people to know why we want Anioma State. For them to know why Anioma State is the most qualified state to be created for the southeast as the 6th southeast state. Orji Uzor Kalu don't confirm all these things. That's why he talks say Anioma State is the right choice for Igbo. He said that Anioma people are proud of their Igbo identity. And it's true. We Anioma people, we are proud of our Igbo identity. We are Igbo people. Don't mind those set of Anioma people that are saying that they are not Igbo people. The opinion of those people don't matter. All Yoruba people not see themselves as Yoruba. All Igala people not see themselves as Igala. All Ijo people not see themselves as Ijo. It's the same thing in Igbo land. Some Igbo people will tell you that they are not Igbo people. But we not go allow their decision to make us not to actualize Anioma State. To make us give up on the creation of Anioma State. I'm urging Igbo nation to ignore those set of Anioma people that are saying that they are not Igbo people, that they don't want to join the southeast. Ignore those people. The number of Okwane people from this Anioma land that are proud of their Igbo identity is massive. Same with Ika people, same with Oshimili and Anyocha people. He said that there shall be an Anioma State. He is sure that Anioma State will be created. He is sure about it. If any state will be created for the southeast, that state is Anioma State. It's a done deal. Unless say they not create any states. But as far as say they go create state for the southeast, that state is Anioma State. So those people they thought say na name state they go create, na other state they go create, they just they waste their time. Those set of Anioma people that are saying that they are not in support of Anioma State because Anioma State will be zoned to the southeast. You people should listen to yourselves. You don't want Anioma State to join the southeast, knowing fully well that Anioma State can only be created through the southeast. So, because of say you know make Anioma State join southeast, You want make e be say all the suffering where we don dey suffer since 1938 make e go to waste. Make we no come get Anioma State again because of say you no want make e join Southeast. Lis ten to yourself. Person wey dey talk like that, e show say the person get sense. You want to give up on an agitation that have lasted for 88 years. You no want join Southeast. Where you want make Anioma State dey? You want we Anioma people to be in the South where we are being hated? What is the language of the South? Pidgin English. Why is it that Pidgin English is the language of the South? It's because they are not one people. Urhobo people don't understand the language of Anioma people. Ijaw people don't understand the language of Anioma people. Ishekiri people don't understand the language of Anioma people. Bini people don't understand the language of Anioma people. Esan people don't understand the language of Anioma people. Calabar people don't understand the language of Anioma people. Other tribes in the South, they don't understand the language of Anioma people. Is that not enough reason for we Anioma people to know that we are not meant to be in the South? Now everything they go tell on those Anioma people when one reason. Now everything they go tell on some Anioma people are saying the Southeast want us because of our resources. Are we Anioma people benefiting from the resources? No. Okwane people are the most marginalized people in this Anioma land. Nothing is working in Okwane land. No infrastructural development, no good road, no higher institutions, no federal medical centers, no state medical centers. These are the reasons for Okwane people to support the creation of Anioma State. Stop talking about geopolitical zone. You no want join people all over they speak the same language. Wetin our Igbo brothers for the Southeast do we Anioma people? As Okwane no dey grow, na Southeast people dey cause am no. Na Southeast people do Ukwane people not the get light, no. Na them do Ukwane where make Ukwane not get federal or state university, no. Na them make Ukwane not get good road, no. Na them make Ukwane people not the benefits from their crude oil, no. Na them keep Ukwane for where Ukwane dey, no. Are they the reason why Ukwane land is backward? No. So why is it that some Ukwane people don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast? These questions that I'm asking, if the Southeast are the problem of Ukwane people, this question goes to you, Eka people, Oshimiri, and Anyocha people. Now Southeast keep us for where we dey, no. Now them make us not dey succeed, no. So what is your problem? Una no want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Senator Nedewoko won't sell us. He won't sell our land, give Southeast people. See the thing where people where things say they get sense, they talk. This is what some elderly men are saying. Gen Z generation, small boys and girls, they talk say Southeast want us because of our resources. Instead of the elders to be telling them to shut up their mouth. They're not going to talk like that. Instead, small children when I get sense, they talk. Say they don't want join Southeast. Say Senator Nedewoko won't sell us, give Southeast. Some of our elders, they talk the same thing, they follow them. People who don't know the importance of Anioma State. People who don't know what they go benefit if they get Anioma State. They are busy listening to cheap propaganda. If we get Anioma State, who go be our governor? Now somebody from Anioma. Who go be our senators? Now somebody from Anioma. Who go be our House of Reps members? Now somebody from Anioma. Everything is still intact. The only thing we say, we are no longer in the South, but in the Southeast. Ndokwane obo sife kumaro kagwo no. Osife kumaro kagwo no da. Okwane people, let's grab this opportunity. We need Anioma State. If we get Anioma State today, the entire country go to hear of a place called Eka. They go to hear of a place called Okwane. They go to hear of a place called Oshimiri. They go to hear of a place called Anyocha. More local governments will be created for Anioma people. We no go be 9 local government again. We are 9 local government because we are in Delta states. The local governments have been shared. Urhobo people get their own local government. Isoko get, we Okwane get, Oshimiri get, Anyocha get, Ika get, Ijaw get, Ishekiri get. And because of that, Delta State get 25 local governments. In that 25 local governments, Anioma has 9 local governments. But if we get Anioma State now, Anioma will have at least 31 local governments. We will have 6 House of Reps members. We will have 3 senators. Make una look all these reasons. All these things supposed to be something where we say you go entice una, they make una to support the creation of Anioma State. But because of say the one zone Anioma State go Southeast, some of our people for Anioma, they thought say they don't want Anioma State. You know, should say those our people not get sense. They don't have sense. Some people go talk say, oh man, you know they thought say they don't get sense. They don't get sense. If you hear Anioma State, you are supposed to ask yourself, what is about this Anioma State? You are expected to make research. Just ask Google, what are the importance of Anioma State? What are the benefits of Anioma State? Google is your friend. Not be you hear Anioma State, you come online, they talk rubbish. We don't want to join the Southeast. We don't want Anioma State. They talk nonsense because you don't want to ask yourself questions. You don't want to advise yourself. You don't see yourself as Igbo, but the world see you as Igbo. The entire country calls you Igbo. That is supposed to make you know that you are an Igbo person. Hey, I'm not the Igbo person. My ancestors come from Benin. My ancestors come from Igala. Benin people, are they not Yoruba people? Benin people came from Yoruba. Igala people came from Jukun. But because they speak Igala, they now identify as Igala people. Every Igala people that have different origins, some of them came from Fulani, some of them came from Hausa, some of them came from Igbo, some of them came from Yoruba. Today, they all identify as Igala. Benin people no longer speak Yoruba, even when they have Yoruba origin. They identify as Benin people. But we Anioma people, we are speaking Igbo language. Why is it that some Anioma people don't want us to join our brothers in the southeast? The problem of Southern Nigeria be say, if better thing come for us, now we still be the problem. Now why Northerners they talk say we not like ourselves? Because if better thing come, now we go to fight that better thing, make it go. When they say Igbo people don't love themselves, they know they talk say we not love ourselves by not helping each other. No. We don't love ourselves by fighting an opportunity that will benefit us. Our Southeast brothers give us a lot to get Anioma State to join them. Some Anioma people they talk say they don't want to join Southeast. It should say they get sense. No. Why are they afraid to join the Southeast? They will start giving stupid reasons. They want to claim our land. They want to claim our resources. They want to expand into our territory. They want to make us to stop speaking Okwane, to stop speaking Eka, to stop speaking Oshimiri and Anyocha. They want to take over our land. Senator Nen Woko have sold us to the Southeast. Just see waiting people where call themselves human being they talk. Okwane is backward because they don't know how to grab opportunity. All Anioma people know how to do is to blame. Federal government forget Okwane people who they don't really give us light to. Just to blame. They blame, start to blame our brothers for Southeast. The Southeast is the problem of Nigeria. The Southeast is this, the Southeast is that. Now failure, they blame people for problem where him cause. Anybody where they say, instead of to solve your own problem, they blame other people. That person is a failure. Those set of Anioma people, when no one reason, make una stop to draw us back. Let's get this Anioma State and join our brothers in the Southeast. Where it take bad, we say, whether those set of Anioma people like it or not, Anioma State will be created and zoned to the Southeast. After all, when they want to create Bender states, not be everybody where they Bender support them. But last, they create that Bender state. All of them still there for that Bender state. When they divide Bender state, Edo state go one side, Delta state go one side. Not be everybody support and say me they divide them. But last, they divide them. So, not be everybody for Anioma go support the creation of Anioma State. But last, they go create the states. And everybody for Anioma go join Southeast. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the Southeast. Whether those Anioma people that don't want it to happen likes it or not. Anioma is Igbo land and territory. And there is nothing anyone from Anioma can do about it. Ishiagwale.